Okay, hello dear friends. So I made this origami star. Oh, it's already loosening up a little bit. I made this origami star. It used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles, 5 points. So it needs 10 pieces of paper. You will take a look of how I do this one. Of paper, okay. Origami square paper. And the paper is better, a little bit strong, has some texture, has some strength. So taco fold, make sure it is perfect. Taco fold, turn it around. Hot dog, turn it around. Hot dog, and then took the too long, the perpendicular line, push, 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 and becomes mountain valley. And it's better to use a ruler or some kind of tool to make it flatten it. This is the first one. This is part of one pair. We need 10 pieces of paper and 5 sets, 5 pair. So this is one part. This one we will do hot dog. It's exactly the same thing. Tacos, turn around. Hot dog. Does it look like hot dog? Does it look like taco, right? So hot dog, one, hot dog, another time. Now what do? We put it with these two middle line. We push, 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 push. And it becomes this little triangle. Put everything in the middle, and then we flatten it. So this is it. The two we make it a pair. And let me show you how I do this. So I have one of this pyramid, one of this. What I need to do, I need to put this pyramid, go down, enter into this little square. Here goes here, so it tucks into it. You can see here, it tucks into it, and you want to make it completely tuck in. Push a little bit, and now we want to fold it over. When I fold, I try to squeeze it until it is completely tucked in. One side, turn it around, do the back side. Do as close as possible. So front and back side, good. Open up one. On the bottom, open up one, turn it like this, and then we will do the tucking of this one. So the 4 sides all tucked in. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 or 7. The more, the easier, but the least is 4. is 5. Put this corner inside here, and the back corner inside here. Like this. Okay, I will show you in another video. Oh, I'm good. This is the way to put it in. Okay. Okay, we have this done. Now we need to put this little tip inside to this. And the back side, it needs to, it's like this. Your finger goes in, this one goes in the back, front goes in, and push, push, push. You can see the front, it goes in, and the back goes in, and push, really push. And what I do, instead of letting it loosen up, let me use a little thinly, put it in. And this one, we push here in, and here push it. Oh, it's not comfortable, right? That is about origami. Okay, this one also push it in, and if you do with student, maybe you can use a glue stick, use a little piece of glue stick onto it. That's a good idea. Why not? I am doing it right here, right now. Just use a teeny tiny little piece. You may say it's cheating, but otherwise it will be too difficult. Put it in. And here, let's see how it works, okay? I have no idea if it will work. Okay, leave it for some time and let it stick together. And this one, we will do the same thing. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, I have done some, so I will be a little bit cheating here. Do I have any more? Oh, I still have another one. That is good. Tuck it in. And here. Glue stick. There was one time, see, I use glue stick and think about, reminds them of their elementary school years. Yes, something magical about glue stick, right? It brings back so much memory. Okay, and usually in class, sometimes I do not have so many pins, or I just want to have students to remember 5 times 3, 15. You count to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh no, 15. You count until 15. Yeah. Then, yeah, this is one. And this one, we put it here. Good. Let me put some glue here. This should be good already. And this one should be this way. Should be bent this way. Okay. Hold it this way, and this one goes here. Yes, this one goes here. It's almost impossible, but we can make it. Okay, now use some glue. Get in, get in, get in. Okay. Okay, now it's good. Bring this one open. These two, the two of you need to stay together for some time. This one we will open it up. Now we need to put the last one. Oh, I'm a little bit lost myself. Whoop-de-doo. This is the way. And this one we have not yet put in. Good. I will not do this with my students. I shall not. I shall not. If I still have a little bit of intelligence in myself, I shall not do this with my students. It's just too much. Okay, now we need to put these two in, and it becomes kind of a, so you can use 10 pieces of paper, 12 pieces of paper, or 14 pieces of paper. The more paper you use, the less stress, and the less paper you put, there will be more tension in it. Okay, This one is good. Now we need to put this one back in. Not too bad. Ooh, oh my goodness. How come it is so easy? I do need to put some. Now this one. You get in, then you get in, you get in, then you get. Oh my goodness! How can I be so good? This is a miracle. Yanghaiying is a miracle. Not just bragging, but yanghaiying is a miracle. Any objection? You do not have. Okay, we put it in and let it stay a little bit. Now we are done, actually. Later I will open it up. We count 5 times 6, 5 times 6, 30, 5, 6, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So the students counted, they are quite honest. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is it. See? Now I am done. Isn't it cool? It's not turnable. Can only up to this stage, but it's quite cool. Make it as good as possible. Isn't it cool? Love it. Origami is fun. Frustrating, but it's fun.